Today is Tuesday, May 9th, 2023, and we are on a trail that's new to us today. It's very short though. We're going up to do Whiteface Passaconaway, and we are taking the Blueberry Ledge cutoff, which is only like 1.5 miles or something. I think it's slightly longer than just taking Blueberry Ledge, but wanted to try something new. So far it's been really nice. There's not a ton of erosion on it because there aren't that many people taking it, I suppose. And the beginning of it runs right along the water. It was really beautiful. No tricky water crossings. And it's been basically flat except one steep climb up away from the water so far. We are out on the ledge that has the first view out to the lakes region. Oh boy, a little bit of climb at the end there. So this is the junction area of Blueberry Ledge cutoff, which comes up here, and Blueberry Ledge, which comes up here and continues on into the woods. It took us about 50 minutes coming up, and it was just a shade over 2 miles. That was a very pleasant trail. I would do that again. We are about to climb the tricky portion of the ledges on Blueberry Ledge. It's looking at Sandwich Mountain right there. It's a beautiful day. We have not put on spikes yet. It's been some monorail, but it was on flat areas that you could either avoid or just walk on it. Okay, and heading up. Let's see. The last few times we've done this, it's been snow and ice, which I find easier. Right. So we're gonna climb up to the left here, and then look off that way, and it looks like you're scaling this crazy bit, which you're not. But it is still kind of steep and tricky, especially if you're short.
Okay. This is the most technical part of the hike. It's quite steep right here. I will try to record it while I walk up it. Okay. I'm not going to go up there. That's not where the trail goes. But it is very steep. And this shows you a little bit about how steep the rocks are.
I love how they clearly had a ladder or something. Like, look,
they took it away. I know.
It goes all the way down where I am too.
So there's
Come on, man.
This is the ladder she's talking about. The marks in the rock. That obviously it's some sort of support system. But that's where we're going to go. We're going to go right up there. That was tricky. It's easier if you use your hands. Okay, so now I'm up on this ledge here.
As you can see, I'm not going to do what you did.
Where's up? The last bit is also a little challenging, but not as bad as what we just did. You have to pull yourself up that ledge right there. Looks like it's about 3 feet at its lowest place here. And then there's another 3 or 3.5 foot step up. So this is not too bad. You can also walk up. There's this ledge here. It's very thin, but it is possible to walk right along there. That's where we went up in the winter. Things to grab onto that route right there is very helpful. Okay. I was heading up this channel. A little bit of snow, nothing to be too concerned about. Look at how easy that is.
We're on one of the outlook ledges on Blueberry Ledge Trail. Not quite to the summit of Whiteface, which is a treed-in summit. I don't know if you can see it on here. So let's see. The parking lot is down where there's an open field down there. And then over here there's like a fire.
Two. Looks like.
It looks like two, yeah. I hope that's a planned burn. And then we've got, let's see, Wonalancet, and then one of these is Hibbard, I think. I don't know, but we're gonna come down that way. That's the plan. And then this is Passaconaway. So I think when you come down Dicey's Mill, you come down this first ridge. It's pretty steady, consistent decline. But if you go down out to, I think you take Passaconaway Cutoff over to Square Ledge area. I don't remember. We've only done it one time, but you come down, you have these, you can go around one of them. Maybe that's not, I don't know. Maybe that's Wonalancet right there. I know we went around Wonalancet because we didn't feel like going up another 200 feet or something. And then behind that is Pogus, Red Cliff. Square Ledge is over there too. I think it's in front of it over here. And then the sisters in Chicorowa. Passaconaway. Tremont kind of in the foreground. Mount Washington. Over here's Carter Notch, so the Carters and the Wildcats. And then there's more, still more, a little more climbing. I think this is the last good view out though. Yeah. Beautiful. There were 3 cars in the parking lot. Wait, yes. 2 there when we got there and one that got there when we were there. I haven't seen anybody on the trail.
Okay.
So this is the plaque that has Lewis Tainter's ashes interred behind it, and it's on a big rock where the McCrillis Trail junctions with Blueberry Ledge. Last time I was up here I looked for it, but it was buried in snow because you have to, let's see. As you can see, John's up on top of that, and it's right down here.
39.57 by mine, but yours is higher, I think.
Okay, well, I'm not going to scale up that way. So this is the McCrillis Trail, comes up that way. Never been on that.
39.86 by my watch.
I think that's higher over there, though. So many times we come out here and people think this is the summit. It's not.
What did you say?
But it is a nice view. Nice big open ledge. Views out to Squam Lake. It's a little, looks a little hazy today. And that is some wildfire smoke that is coming down from Alberta. Okay. I have to use 2 hands here. Whoa. Okay. There's no marker up here, huh? I thought there was.
Nope.
Okay.
$39.91 by my watch.
My watch says $39.93.
Look at that.
Okay. So it is not.
And the summit on my map says $39.93.
Really? That's weird.
That's why.
And we do have a nice view out to Chicorowa and south, and a little bit to Sandwich Mountain right there. Okay, let's go hit the nondescript summit. Look at all this open area though. It's pretty cool. Okay, we are at the summit. What has a cairn right there, tiny little cairn on the side of the trail. Gaia apparently has the summit marked as back, I don't know, a few hundred yards. But my watch says, let's see, 4022.
There you go. That's the picture on the map.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I can't really see it. So we're here. That's the summit according to Gaia. But this is the summit. It's marked, and we're standing on about 3 feet of snow, maybe. I don't know. We put on our spikes when we left that last big open ledge area where Macrillis comes in, and I've been okay with that. The monorail is pretty firm, but it's been beaten up a lot. So spikes are the way to go. We are at the view at the top of the Walden Trail, so it's right near the Passaconaway summit. There's Chicorowa right there. We're gonna have our lunch up here. And then if you come up and stand at the very top of this rock at the corner, you get a nice view of the presidentials, but you have to be in that one spot because all the trees have grown up. There is a viewpoint if you go out closer to the summit of Passaconaway. There's a view. I think it's 2 or 3/10 of a mile each way. But when you get out there, this whole thing is all open. It's not obstructed at all. You can see all the way to Franconia Ridge from that view. It's a nice wide open view. But that fire is still going. It's right over here now. It doesn't look as big. We are gonna head down the Walden Trail, so we figured we don't need to make it any harder than it's already. I think that view, last time we went out the view spur, it was kind of a bear. It had very deep snow on it, and there's still a lot of snow up here, so. And Walden will probably have a lot of snow also. All right, lunchtime.
Okay. There's a blowdown mess here. Laura and I decided we would walk over the blowdown instead of around it or through it.
This is on the Walden Trail. Woo.
Yep, just hold that there. There you go.
I didn't expect the tree that I'm standing on to bounce quite so much. All right.
You got this.
Yep. Famous last words.
Hold my beer. Look at that.
Hey, no problem.
No problem.
This is the view ledge on Mount Hibbard, which is a delisted 52 of the view. The actual summit has like a little slabby area, but it's all kind of grown up around it. There's no real view up there. And this is Mount Wonalancet right there. So we have the choice to go up to the summit of that or go around it. Last time we went around it, I don't know when we'll ever do it. It's a gradual, if you're coming down, it's gradual to go up and then steep to go down because it's a loop. I don't know. Maybe we'll do it. We gotta figure it out before we get there. It's pretty close by. So we're at the junction now where you can go over Mount Wonalancet or around it. If you go around it, you take the shortcut to Ferncroft. If not, you stay on the Wonalancet Range Trail. I've decided,
You executive decision.
I did an executive decision. We're gonna go over Wonalancet. I don't really know anything about it. I don't know if there's a view. I have no idea.
We'll find out.
Yeah, let's go check it out. So we are at, I guess, the summit of Wonalancet. This is what it shows on my map as the summit, although I felt like right back there was about 3 feet higher. I don't know. It's treed in.
There's no cairn.
There's nothing. I don't see anything to sign or anything. So here it is, Wonalancet. It was a pleasant climb up. Coming as you descend was nice. So now coming off of it looks pretty steep on the map. We'll see how it goes. We're definitely going downhill now though. And we startled, I think, 2 different spruce grouse. But it might have been the same one twice. I don't know. Mount Wonalancet. So we're descending off of Wonalancet and on the steep portion, and we just came out to this nice big open ledge with a view to Chicorowa right there. And then I don't know where we meet up with the shortcut. Does it go that way? I think it does.
It goes this way.
Yep, so I'm at 10 miles right now. Just got my mile. Wow, this is cool. Views out there. Mount Paugus. Excellent. Yeah, and it goes down this. I had no idea. So we are very, very close to the car right now. We just came down from there, Wonalancet Range Trail. And now we're going to take Old Mast Road out, and I think it goes right to the parking lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, super close.